this video, we're going to have a closer look at the volume of a cuboid. You'll see that the volume of a cuboid is quite the same as the volume of a cube. Okay, so how are we going to calculate the volume of a cuboid? Well, same thing as for a cube. We're going to multiply three different dimensions together. So length times width times height. In this case, A times B times C. In general, the volume of a cuboid is going to be length times the width times the height. Okay, and that's all you need to know. All right. So the volume of this cuboid, first example, is again length times width times height. Write this stuff down, guys. It's easier. The more you write it down, the easier it's going to be to remember. Okay, length times width times height. In this case, length is 7 centimeters. Width is 4 centimeters. I just take the longest measurement for length, guys. Okay, it doesn't matter which one you take. And the height is 3 centimeters. So 7 times 4 times 3. 7 times 4, that makes 28 centimeters squared. Times 3 centimeters. I'm just taking it in step, guys. And 3 times 28, that should make 84 centimeters cubed. You don't really need this step, guys, but I just put it in between because I'm doing it from the top of my head. All right, so that's it for the volume. Volume is 84 centimeters cubed. All right, of course, exercises won't always be this easy. Let's have a look at this. You get a compound 3D shape. We've already talked about compound shapes in 2Ds, okay, but now you also have that in 3D. All right, you need to find the volume of this compound shape. As you can see, it's not really any shape you recognize, but you can make it look like, or it looks like, two cuboids added together, right? It's like a T shape, but it's two cuboids added together. So this one and the blue one. So the total volume is going to be, so volume T, so volume total, it's going to be volume E1 plus volume 2. Okay, volume 1 is going to be the yellow one, and volume 2 is going to be the blue one, as you can see. All right. Volume 1 is obviously a cuboid, so it's going to be length times width times height. Volume 2 is obviously also a cuboid, so length times width times height. Alright, first part, what's the length in my yellow cuboid? That's going to be, let's just take 7 times 2 times 2, and that's going to be, of course, centimeters cubed. Alright, the blue shape, however, is going to be 5 times 2 times 2 centimeters cubed. 7 times 2 times 2, that makes 28 centimeters cubed. 5 times 2 is 10, 10 times 2 is 20, so 20 centimeters cubed. In total, what will the volume be? 28 plus 20, which is going to make 48 centimeters cubed. And that's how you calculate the volume of compound shapes. So one thing to remember from this video, guys, just remember the formula for volume of a cuboid. So length times width times height. Good luck.